At the IDEF 2025 Defense Expo in Istanbul, Turkish Aerospace Industries, TAI, introduced a new addition to its unmanned aerial systems lineup, a vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) drone designed to tackle the evolving complexities of contemporary military operations. This innovative UAV merges vertical launch capabilities with extended range and endurance, targeting missions in challenging, infrastructure-deficient zones. TAI's latest drone project reflects Türkiye's growing emphasis on autonomous aerial platforms that blend adaptability with long-flight performance. As nations demand UAVs suited for varied environments, from dense urban terrain to remote border regions, this system offers a solution that bypasses the need for traditional airfields while retaining the range of fixed-wing aircraft. With a streamlined frame measuring 3.1 meters in length and spanning 5 meters across the wings, the VTOL UAV carries a maximum payload of 2.5 kilograms. The aircraft's 120-kilogram takeoff weight and 60-liter fuel reservoir enable up to 10 hours of continuous flight, allowing it to cover distances of up to 1,300 kilometers. Operating at altitudes of 9,000 feet and top speeds of 70 knots, it can maintain communication with control systems up to 100 kilometers away. A collapsible wing structure enhances its mobility and makes deployment faster and more discreet. Built on a foundation of previous drone successes such as the Anka and Aksungur, this platform seems engineered to fulfill tactical demands voiced by field units, especially those requiring portable ISR, intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, assets for rapid deployment in rugged or hostile regions. Its VTOL configuration bridges the gap between compact quadcopters and larger, runway-dependent UAVs. Where many comparable VTOL drones lean on electric propulsion, and suffer from range and energy limitations, TAI's drone leverages a combustion-based power system, allowing for extended missions and reduced logistical strain. The simplified design, which forgoes complex tiltrotor mechanisms in favor of a more durable lift-cruise setup, ensures maintainability in rough environments and streamlines field operations. Strategically, the UAV equips Türkiye with greater ISR capabilities in areas where mobility and endurance are mission-critical, ranging from naval deployments on small ships to surveillance operations along rugged borders or in conflict-prone areas abroad. This makes it a viable asset not only for domestic defense purposes but also as a contender in the export market, particularly among countries in Africa, the Middle East, and Central Asia. Although no formal acquisition deals have been made public yet, TAI's track record of rapid system maturation suggests this VTOL drone could reach active service in short order. The system seems particularly attractive for buyers who require persistent surveillance without needing costly infrastructure or large-scale bases. Budget-conscious nations looking for high-endurance tactical UAVs will likely find this model appealing for both military and security applications. The unveiling highlights Türkiye's broader ambition to become a leading force in the UAV sector, offering agile, modular systems that align with NATO standards while addressing real-world operational gaps. As demand grows for autonomous drones that perform well in non-permissive environments, TAI's new VTOL entry looks poised to play a significant role in future ISR missions globally.